and humanity as a whole benefit when everyone is able to contribute their best talents to the world. And we're still not there by any means, but it's some progress that someone like me, raised by a single mother in the remote corner of England, have the opportunity to contribute to the scientific advances of our species. I've been hugely fortunate to be able to come to this country to take advantage of the facilities and the scientific community here to study the distant reaches of the universe. And yet, funding pressures and hardening immigration policy seriously affect pure science research. And in just a few months' time, I have to leave the country. So, what do we lose if we don't fund science? Part of the problem when we're advocating for it is we don't know. We don't know until we do it. But do we want to be a species that only looks down? Do we want to lose the perspective that astronomy, that pure research give us? When you study astronomy, the most striking thing you learn is how enormous the universe is. It's only within the last decade that we've been able to find planets around other stars in large numbers. And already we've been confronted with the fact that there are probably hundreds of billions of planets in the Milky Way. And the Milky Way is just one of hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. These sorts of numbers are completely incomprehensible even when you deal with them every single day. But what I take away from the awe-inspiring scale of the universe is not that we are insignificant. Quite the opposite. The universe is vast, more vast than we can possibly wrap our heads around. And yet, evolution designed us specifically for this one planet around this one star. This is the only home planet we are ever going to have, and it's in our interest to take care of it. Now, science tells us how to take care of it. Are we going to listen, and are we going to force our leaders to listen? Thank you.